my channel, dolls, and today we are here to do another install video. Now if you guys are wanting to know about my makeup, then make sure you check out that tutorial. I will leave it down below in the description box or up above, but make sure you subscribe because you just need to subscribe, girl. So if you have not subscribed, then make sure you go ahead, and if you are not following me on Instagram, make sure you follow me on Instagram. Now jumping straight into this, I was sent a wig by Mslula Hair. This is their Italy curl wig. It is a pre-made closure wig. It comes with flexi rods, a wig cap, and some bobby pins. So this is Mslula's Italy curl lace closure wig. It is a 250% density in the inches 16. As you see, this is a very curly wig. It does come in a middle part. Now this wig is a closure wig, and it does have 4 combs, and it also comes with drawstrings.
Doing great, we're engaged, posting pictures, looking good. You're taking me on shopping spree, telling me
so I'm going to throw this bad boy on just to see what I'm working with. So I'm just going to slide back my wig cap so that won't be showing. And I'm just going to see how this fits my head. Now this wig is a little snug, y'all. So I don't know if this wig is big head friendly. But yeah, we going to make it work. So this is a really beautiful curl. I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace off of my closure so I can go ahead and kind of camouflage the hairline just a bit. So I'm going to straighten up this part just a bit because it's not all the way completely straight, and I'm going to go ahead and make a few baby hairs. You don't have to make the baby hairs. You could keep it like it comes, or you could have the wig start behind the hairline if you wanted to, but that's just what I'm choosing to do.
That you hit enough, you calling and texting, I finally pick up. You missing my loving and craving my touch. You want it, you need it, you can't get enough. You tell me come over, then I just hang up. Hey, cause I'm on my way, telling you I'm on my way. Yeah, I'm on my way, baby, I'm on my way. Won't love you, won't touch you, won't put it down like I do. No.
Alright, so now it is time to go ahead and fix the rest of the hair. I'm going to spray the hair with my water bottle, and I actually ended up putting some product on this hair after I sprayed it with water. I used Carrot Care's Defining Custard in combination with spraying the water. And y'all can see that the curls really start to define as you spray it with the water, but as it dries, it does get a little bit more puffy. So once I used that Carrot Care, I was in business. The curls are absolutely beautiful. Here's the closure up close so you guys can see that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are interested in this hair, I will leave all of their information down below in the description box. Make sure you check out some of my other videos, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.
No.